In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit your website using Hostinger. This quick tutorial aims to guide you through accessing and navigating the Hostinger platform, making it easier for you to make the necessary edits to your site. First, let's begin by visiting Hostinger's website. Open your preferred web browser and type in hpanel.hostinger.com. Once the page loads, you'll be prompted to log into your account. If you haven't signed up yet, make sure to create an account. After logging in, you'll find yourself on the Hostinger dashboard, a hub for all your hosting needs. The next step is to locate and click on the Websites tab. This section is crucial as it hosts all your website projects. Clicking on it will reveal a list of websites associated with your account. Identify the website you wish to edit and click on the Edit Website button adjacent to it. Upon entering the website editor, you'll notice a plethora of tools and options at your disposal. One of the primary features you'll interact with is the Content of Elements section. This is where you can modify the various components that make up your website, such as text blocks, images, and buttons. Customizing these elements can help you tailor the look and feel of your site to better match your brand's identity. Next, explore the content of pages. Here, you can navigate between the different pages on your website, such as the home page, contact page, or blog section. This feature allows you to edit specific pages individually, ensuring each page conveys the intended message and design. Moving on, the Content of Styles section is where you get to personalize the aesthetics of your site. This includes changing fonts, colors, and other stylistic elements that contribute to the overall theme of your site. Consistency and style across your website can greatly enhance user experience by making navigation intuitive and visually appealing. Another valuable tool is Content of AI tools. Hostinger offers a suite of AI tools designed to optimize various aspects of your website, from drafting content to enhancing SEO. Leveraging these tools can simplify your workflow and improve your site's performance. For those of you running a blog, the Contents of Blog section is indispensable. Here you can manage your blog posts, update content, and organize categories, making sure your readers always have access to fresh and relevant content. If you're looking to incorporate an online store, the Content of Store feature will be your go-to. This part of the editor allows you to add products, manage inventory, and adjust settings to create a seamless shopping experience for your customers. The Content of SEO is essential for making sure your website is visible to search engines. By optimizing your site's metadata and keywords, you can improve its search ranking, making it easier for potential visitors to find you. Additionally, the Content of More section offers extra features and settings to further customize your site. Finally, don't forget that you can also change images. Simply select the image you wish to modify, upload a new one, or adjust the current image to suit your theme, and there you have it. By following these steps, you can skillfully edit your website through Hostinger, ensuring it meets your needs and stands out online. We hope this tutorial has been helpful, and feel free to reach out with any questions.